Hello there. Welcome to this video where you will introduce to how algebra is applied in real life situations. Now, before I continue, I want to welcome you to our first lesson on real life applications of algebra. Today we're going to explore how algebra, which might seem like a bunch of letters and numbers at first, is actually super useful in real world. But before we go ahead, what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and numbers to represent quantities in mathematical expressions and equations. So let's start with a simple example. Have you ever been to a store and tried to figure out how much money you have left after buying a few things? Well, that's where algebra comes in. You can use algebra to keep track of your money and make sure you are not overspending. Let's say you have $50 and you have to buy three items that cost X dollars each, or let's say you have already bought them. After buying these items, you have $50 minus 3x left. This simple equation 50 minus 3x is an example of using algebra in real life to keep track of your spending. Now, let's talk about another example. Have you ever tried to figure out how long it will take to get somewhere if you know the distance and the speed you are traveling? That's another real world problem that algebra can help you solve. You can use the formula distance equals speed times time. And if you know the distance and speed, you can use algebra to solve for the time it will take you to get there. Now let's look at this practical exercise. 1. Take a real life situation where you need to solve a problem involving money or time and write down the equation that represents the situation using algebra. Share your example in the comments below and see if others can help you solve it using algebra. Algebra is all around us, and in this series we'll dive deeper into how it can help us solve all sorts of everyday problems. So and stay tuned for more real algebra adventures. The best will be yours. More in the days ahead. Thank you.